Hi everyone, my name is Anna Lofstrom and I'm from Halifax, Massachusetts, where I'm currently filming this video. And I'm also a recent graduate of the U360 program, which I finished last month. U360 was everything I could have ever hoped for and probably 10 times more. Not only did I gain professional skills that have beyond prepared me to enter the workforce upon finishing graduate school, but I also gained invaluable personal skills as well. I grew in really numerous ways. I gained a newfound confidence and connection with myself outside of just being a student. I became aware of really how I can be a leader in almost any setting of my life. And I gained the necessary skills and the confidence to be able to do just that. Through the mentorship of this program, I also gained an amazing team of people that I'm close with now, even though the program has now ended. The U360 community really allowed me amazing networking opportunities, but not only that, it also gave me a group of amazing like-minded friends as well, which was something I was definitely struggling with due to COVID and just the state of our world in the last 2 years. I can't really speak highly enough of U360 and this program. No matter what you're studying, sustainability will always be applicable in any major, in any field that you go into in today's day. And the skills and personal life lessons you will gain throughout this program are really essentially invaluable. So if you're a very eager, curious, passionate individual looking for a high impact internship, U360 is definitely for you. So please consider applying.